muna, were me head again now. And go wemo, sigi, were me head again now. Tineke, were muna, were me head again now. And go bima, sigi, were me head again now. Where me head again now. And my huma, sigi, were me head again now. Where me head again now. And you go be more.
Hello. Bia, I don't know.
Why Ekwere m gafet.
Una kpare ula Chineke.
Ele ihe woka. Ekwekwere m gị kofre.
Una kpare ula Chineke na ọdịdị mma. Ele ihe gas esi ewere gba.
Ye were m.
Ele otu si ewego tere. Mkpụrụ obi gị ọ na-ewego oti egwuru na agwụ. Mgbe iji ahụ gị were de nwe gị nye Chineke, ya wuru ugbu ifrọ ntakịrị. Gị wuru Chineke ewuru ihe eri te bịa nye gị. Ị ga-eri. Onye na-eme Chineke ya rịkọ onye na-eri ihe
na-eri baptism mee confirm na dolili adịmụ ejuru m ezuru m ezu inyere m Chineke nga ya ewere m ihe abịa n'elu ụwa
na mgbede ga ugbu a na-enwedị ihe na ahụ gị n'ime. When you were young, you were very vibrant. You could see onwe gị nyefee Chineke n'aka ya ejigokwara ngwa ọrụ ya wuru bụ ugbu a ịgaje ama obi agajega ele ahịa ama obi onye nze n'ogidi ama obi gị na-agajega ama obi ya bụ ugbu a ewere n'ugwu chere dị gị wuru Chineke ugbo ewere gị ma ọwa enwere ọkụkọ yiri otu eri bịa banye gị ọkụkọ ị ga-ekwe eri igo chọpam
agara m aka ọwụ ha gị na-eke Achukwu na-eke o kecha ya dụbata n'elu uwe otu ọbụla ọ sọrọ ya eme ghara m oke gwele m otu a Chukwu ya kere onye ihu ka onye azụ ghara m aka.
Nna m iriela ọnụma obi n'igwe nna m iwegori ọkụ ya dajọọ hot cool down iwegori ọkụ let it go down because ọnwụ na gị mebecha anyị ụta ị na-esi eme gị enwere onye ga-eguzoli n'iru gị mgbe ị nọ na agba ọbịa iji ahụ a na-eti gị mgba nye Chineke ntego gị ụmụ okorobịa niile nọ n'ụwa na-ejigile gị fọga gị nọ afọ richa gị fọfọzie gị ihe afọfọrọ gị just small 2 seconds to good evening ga-esizi ya were gị mere ele ihe ọ ga-ejili ga-eme ugbu a ị ga-ebuli agha n'ụlọ nzukọ ka ị ga-emeli city ward ka ị ga-abụli abụ ele ihe ị ga-arụ n'ụlọ nsọ a na-ewere gị ugbo ewere gị onye werele gị otu ugbo iri ọwụ chafụ edo m nwoke kwụsịrị ike gba mgbọrọgwụ n'ime Chineke were ego m ihe masịrị gị enye gị obi riri eru ihe afọrọ gị n'ala nọ ele ahịa nwoke Mbaise ele ahịa nwoke ahịa azụ Mbaise fọga gị n'ọka olugbo fọga gị n'ọfọ ise gị nke mba n'afọ onye afọ ogbe afọ onye ele ahịa ihe ha nna onye abụọ Mbaise ha fọgara gị nọ fọgara gị ijikwa ahụ gị bịa bịachata a ga-ewere gị eme ihe masịrị gị egbe eluigwe were kwe gị hotel alie gị n'iyi idiot of no comparison. Thank God na eji m nwa m I surrender my life to Christ. I surrender to Jesus. I surrender na kitu kunge ekwekwana ihe tu ebe nụkwa mmadụ ọbịa ya kitchen ovo agụrụ hello hey afternoon. Wanna come this side? You don't do now. Where wanna they go? Wanna they find?
We came to see somebody.
Who is the person?
T-Money.
T-Money.
Yes.
Who him be to you? Your uncle or your mama's brother or your mama's sister or your teacher or your family member?
He's our friend. We just came to see him.
Is your friend
Yes,
we just
he
came to
invited
see.
us. Come and see him.
in the hotel?
Yes.
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm 16.
16 years.
Yes.
And you?
I'll be 16 next year.
You're not up to 16. Get your long work in a hotel. You don't define man come hotel. Below 16. Tomorrow now, when I go come out, come they shout, justice for Mara, justice for Kamara, justice for Tamara. This, that. The one where the man do, because they rain everywhere. But people no go no say now when I take on a leg, find the person come in house. As soon as I come here now, I know see ambulance, I know see chain for a neck, I know see say the man use police, he use army, carry gun, put for a neck. Oh yeah, they go my room. Now when I take on a leg, JJ, come meet them for hotel because anybody, any man will not be your mama, not be your sister. If they find I come for hotel, he's not coming here to do Ekele Maria with you. He's not coming here to do your confirmation or sing say prayer like maybe deliverance. For two of you to find a man at this hot afternoon inside his hotel room, when I know what it is, that means you are sure of what this man is going to do, and that is the reason you are here, isn't it?
Yes.
It's yes. Opa, yes. Okay. When I go back, you can't see it.
I don't understand. What's that one now? Just why is somebody?
Hello, babies. Hello, babies. Apana. Hello, babies. Apana.
Wait. Now, this person I can't see.
It's not this person. This is not who we saw.
Yes, good morning.
Wait, now this person now waste money, transport, under this hot sun.
No, the
It's not the
person on
person
his
we saw
profile
in
is
this
different from the
profile.
person.
Wait, the person who now even comes to, I never see him before.
No, what? We just chat with him.
Online,
Yes.
you know him before.
No.
No connection. And when I feel comfortable, carrying one small bag of trouble, and one can see him.
Babies, Apana. Come make we go inside room, I think.
Tiwa.
Come now, come make we go.
Tiwa soon. I follow him.
No. We can't go. Please, let's go.
No, come now. Now, tea money, bag of money. Hey, Mr. Handsome, come.
Why they block me now? Why they block me?
Me block you.
If they block me now, what you tell those girls now?
Wait till I tell who.
Those girls will come here now.
Now, now your face tell them something. No, go use me sign. No.
But the woman why carry come block and wait? What you tell that woman say?
Eh?
I go report to this thing. What you they do? They could come.
No, take me cry you. I not tell them anything. Now your face tell them what it is. Who go see this kind of your face? You go see the man. Me where they say, and I know how many church you have go do deliverance. You carry this kind of face and you can't put another person photo for online. Can't take and deceive woman. So now you be the bad self where they want cause. Now you be the team one.
See my stomach.
I beg carry shit, go shit and flush. Say you no see your stomach.
I go report to Oga. Wait, when I go report to Oga, this is what they do. If woman come here, go they pursue am for me. I go report to woman.
Hey, women don't suffer. It is written all over you. You will hear now go war the war of our warness. It will war not. Idiot. See as him be the chatter children. My phone has you better. Every parent should open their eyes. This is what they do. Tomorrow now they go say, men don't use them do this one. They dump this person here. Now like this is the start. Small children, they are not even up to 18. Hagabala hook up. But Hagaruzi 18, Hagawazi hook roof. Yawuno wabula. Monitor your children. Not all the time. Business, we go there for market from year to year. You don't go care what they are doing at home. Now this one's now their parents might be in the market or somewhere. Why their children are somewhere. Look at what they come to see. Gorilla of our time. Even though not smoke hard danger. First go first of all talk. Look at me, very handsome. Anybody buy invite now? Go to the here. Go yeah, low with that. What come American? Bini we proud to live.